So I'm going to be doing a look with the custom palette I made. This is the second time I'm recording this. It's the second time I'm running into issues with my camera not focusing. I hope that this time is the last time I have to film this. So here is what I made. I'm going to use this shade first. This is Creamsicle. Actually, no, I'm not going to use that first. Because I've done this already. That's one that I kind of regretted using it first. Let me start with, I'm going to start with this shade. This is Sleeper. I'm going to put that on the inner half of the lid. Okay, and then I'm going to go into this red shade. This is Red Bottoms. I'm going to apply that a little bit higher. And then I'm going to go into the orange shade. This is Creamsicle. So I applied all of those shades with the same brush, and I just cleaned off the brush on towel in between each shade. And this is a MAC 239S. I'm going to use a fluffy brush now on that same orange shade and just blend it out a little bit more. Okay, and now I'm going to use this yellow. This is Oh Behave. I'm going to use Buzzkill on the outer crease. On the outer lid, I'm going to apply this shade. This is Charmed. I'm going to use this deep green. This is called Mobamba. I'm going to use that on the outer lower lash line. I'm going to use this shade. This is Olive You. I'm going to use that on the inner part of the lower lash line with an eyeliner brush. This is a Sigma E05. And then on the inner corner, I'm going to use this bright green. This is Mary Jane. And I'm going to use this shade Queen Bee kind of as an eyeliner on the outer part of the lid. This shade Baywatch, this red shimmery shade, I'm going to use that on the inner part of the lid, also kind of like an eyeliner, but not, I don't want to cover up this purple too much. The first time I filmed this, I did cover up the purple. Not really what I wanted to do, but I was trying to use all of the shades, and I didn't really know where I wanted to use this one, and I figured this was maybe the most logical place to put it. And then for the last shade, I'm using the pressed glitter Clementine on the brow bone. This is a ColourPop gel liner in Joyride. I'm going to use that in the waterline.